Right, this is John in Parita. Good morning, and this is where we're staying here in Pangasinan, San Carlos City. You see, it's very comfortable, beautiful house, and this is the front area gate to the home. But really, the reason I'm out here this morning is because I wanted to bring you out to the road here, that the main road that goes in front of the house, and also many houses. But there is lots of traffic that is on this road, and it's because that all the children are going to school. And what's really amazing is that these jeepneys are available to them, and they are taking these children to their schools for about 20 cents 50 cents a ride, and taking them closer to the actual town or city area, and to where the school, I guess, districts are. And they are of course the multiple grade levels, and so it's really amazing how much traffic will be coming through here. Just multiple riders, and actually adults and children, really, is what I should be saying, because a lot of adults are going to work this morning too. So well, there you have it. Busy morning traffic. People going to school and people going to work early this morning here in San Carlos City, the Philippines. And thank you for joining us, and thank you for supporting us with your prayers. We do really appreciate your prayers.